Here we are, in front of me is a great example of a MiG-21. MiG-21 6173. Looks like it had, what, 4, 5, 6, 7 kills to its credit. A bit different from the American Air Force in the sense that some of these kills, these planes were not flown by just one individual pilot, by a group of pilots. So it's a bit difficult to ascertain how many kills one pilot did do. As you can see, the plane's been out here in the sun and it's slowly falling apart. Yes, MiG-21, of course, is a supersonic jet fighter. It was the chief opponent of the, of course, the F-105 and the F-4 and also the F-8. You can see here it's very streamlined, looks fast, just looking at it really. Underneath here, you've got the 3 central hard points, 2 wingtip and a central one. The central point was mainly used with the drop tank and can carry 2, I think up to 4 atoll missiles. The atoll missiles were a great replica of the American Sidewinders. But a very fast plane. We'll just walk around it, see what we can see on the plane. Well, it's manufactured fairly well. You can see a fair bit of detail. You can see it's been vandalised a little bit. The tail section, as you can see, a few antennas sticking out. And it looks like the whole rear section used to move around. I'm not quite sure the technical term. But as you can see, look, it's very well manufactured for the time. I think the MiG first flew in 1958. Look, I think I could be wrong. Here in the back of the engine. Fantastic looking plane, great example of a Russian Soviet era plane. Some still flying today. I think in Europe there are a couple still flying, maybe some flying in Indian Air Force, but not very many frontline. Can have a look underneath the plane. You can see the wheels. Very basic, but very rough and rugged. The cockpit doesn't look like you got too much. You can't see out. I wonder what the how comfortable the pilot was in such a small plane. When we get to Hanoi, you might ask one.
I think it's the PMF version.
PMF?
PMF version because it's only one rack here.
Ah, yes.
MF 2 rack. MF have 2 rack.
Yep.
This is PMF version.
For the atoll missile?
Yeah, atoll missile. Yeah.
Yep. Excellent. What else can you tell me about the MiG-21? Mach 2 fighter?
It is a good fighter. A good fighter from Russia.
Yep. Excellent.